We've been here in beautiful Stillwater 3 times, and Oklahoma State has never won a game when we've been here.
That's correct.
Never won a game here. You know that?
I didn't know that.
But Baylor has not won a game in 74 years. Yeah, 74 years. Not since I've been 4 years old. Baylor can't win here, can they? No, Baylor can't. You're right. Give me pistol. Beat that guy.
Look out, Marcus. Here we go.
About to get loud.
Pistol's fired. Oh, get ready. Here we go. Take. You know it's coming. You break for it and it's flat.
Go.
All right. Marcus, thanks for joining us. Oh, no, great job. Thank you for having me. The best. The Cowboys basketball season. Prime time on ABC tonight. Bob with Susan and Rod Gilmore right now. The chilly Evanston Wildcats